Welcome to another What's in the Box. It's been a little bit. Let's open this up and check it out. I'm gonna just rip into it. What do we got? Let's check it out and see. I got a backpack from this awesome company. Let's check out the backpack. Cool, I like it. It's just a little Ziploc bag. Easy to open. Let's get this bag out and check it out. There's the back of the backpack. Very cool. And here's the front of the backpack. There's the company. We'll link all their information down in the description. It's got the top piece here. Let's open it up like so. Get back for you. Very cool. It opens like so. It's got a compartment in the back and front. It's got little compartments in the inside where you can stash things. Very cool. Definitely nice quality. This thing opens up like so. It has a little thing that clamps tight. If you're looking for a backpack, definitely check this out. It's got a zipper in the front with a compartment. And there's their little company name. Very cool, very cool. All their Instagram and website information on the bottom there. I'll link it down in the description so it's easier to click on for you. I like it. It's nice quality, heavy quality. There's right here on the front, there's another compartment where you can stash stuff like stickers. Very cool. Who doesn't love some stickers? Heck yeah. Compartment there. Compartment in the front. If you're looking for a nice quality backpack, this is it. Very, very comfortable straps. Very awesome. Like I said, check them out. Check their website out. This thing will fit a lot of cool stuff. Lots of little compartments and little inside. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this color and backpack. Very cool in black. They have another one in orange right here. Super cool. If you like to change it up and not be, plain black. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I say this backpack is pretty cool. So check them out. Check out their new company and pick up yourself a nice backpack. And that's what it looks like all put together. Very cool. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out this company. Definitely grab a backpack and tell this company I sent you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.